Hello and welcome to Redwolf Production and to the new series How To. In this series I will showcase you some of my work and some of interesting skills that I've learned throughout the years in order to make amazing videos like this. In today's video, we'll be talking about overlays and how to use them properly in the video and what are they for. What are overlays? Overlays are usually videos or effects that are put above the main video in which we can make some nice SFX or some type of transition effect. So let's go right into it. So I have a simple non-edited video clip right here of me flying the drone in the desert. I have already pre-saved overlays for myself. So if I go to my lo-fi effects, I have overlays right here. So to get the overlays, I can just recommend you going on YouTube and searching overlays. As you can see, 38 free video overlays for editing. As you can see, I've used this one a few times in the last video, but today we'll be using the short ones. So for example, like this is a very simple, I would say, entry point for the video. So I will make an extra block for nothing except for the transition to start. What I need to do, because as you can see here, I'll put the volume down. As you can see here, we have just the transition and then it just cuts to the video. We need the transition to be overlaying the video. So first of all, we have the video above, not next to the main video, but above it, and a bit earlier because we need the transition here as well. And then we go to the blend mode. I'm editing on Final Cut Pro, so maybe on should be everywhere, but like blend mode, we go to use screen. So this transforms our solid overlay into somewhat blending overlay with the main video. So let's see. As you can see here, I'll do this. Now it's visible, so it shows right here all the effects that we need. So as you can see, that this thing, it showcases this as well. So this makes a perfect transition as an intro. And also for these overlays, I have the sound with them. If I turn it off, it looks like this. And this is possible to do with anything, any overlays, whether it's film, like, you know, 88 type of film overlay, or it's some kind of Instagram overlay, or any. You just press overlay, download it from YouTube. I think you know how to do that. Or you can also buy them. There's a lot of YouTubers and content creators who provide the service of selling the overlays for the use, but I'm using the free ones. So for myself, it's enough. So what if I would like to make an extra, I would say, transition in this video and make it closer, yet not just a stupid jump? So let me just expand my video where I move, for example, even closer to myself. Yeah, so this is the maximum video. Yeah, so right here, for example, I cut this. So I don't want this, boom. It's very chaotic. I don't really like the way it looks right now because it just cuts. Like imagine you cut the meat and you cut half of it, but not at the right spot. So it's like, bam, and it's not even. That's where the overlays come in as well. So for example, I have another overlay right here. I take it, I just turn on the volume for now. And again, I don't see the transition, I just see the overlay. It jumps to overlay and nothing else. I go to normal blend mode choose screen, and now it should be perfect. You see, it's not just cuts already, but like you can of course edit it a little bit better to make sure, for example, on this or this point it changes because it's widescreen all the way. For the human eye, you don't really see it when it plays because it's just one single frame. But for the video editing, it's amazing. So let's see. You saw there's no way anyone would understand there was a cut like this. So we turn this overlay off, boom. We turn it back on. Look at this beauty. And now it looks even better. So let's now also, we can put some blending, colors, overlay, anything. But yeah, this is the way it looks. What if we put multiple overlays over one video? So let me show you this, for example. This is one of my favorite overlays that I've used in the past few videos that I made for clients. It's really cool. So as you can see, it's just black. Just black. I put the blend mode into screen again. The volume, I'll keep it because it's really cool. So let's see how it looks now. As you can see, it makes those type of waves of energy or whatever you want to call it, or scratching, and it looks really authentic. I really do like it. It's even more better with transition, as you saw in my previous video. But yeah, if you haven't, go check it out. Anyway, this is it for today's video. I hope you learned something, how to use overlays, and if you're new viewer right here, don't be shy, subscribe, leave a like, it's for free. And if you're someone who's looking for a video production company, we're Redwolf Production. You can leave a comment or you can message me on Instagram at Mr_Redwolf. Or you can leave your information on the website www.redwolfcorp.xyz in a Redwolf Production section. So you just press it and leave your contact info. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. Once again, I hope to see you soon in the next video next week, and bye bye.